to the n, assuming that these guys are ordered. I should have said that. It's typically assumed that these are ordered. So maybe these are all equal. Who cares? But the dominant term here is the thing that determines the rate of convergence, and that's it. Okay, and so that's an obsession, like in computer science, in all sorts of areas. Can we bound lambda 2? Can we bound lambda 2? And you can get a Fields Medal if you get a better bound on lambda 2. You can, and it comes up a lot of times because it in a lot of algorithms, it boils down to understanding powers of matrices, and you want to know how quickly they go to 0. So you want to know what that rate is. Okay? And so if they're not distinct, you got to go to Jordan form, and then you get some, instead of this, you'll get some polynomial terms as well. And I don't like Jordan. Okay. Should we take a break? Let's take a 5-minute break and dive back in.